What's up guys, it's Sarah at Scentfox, and today we're going to be looking at a package from Scentbird. These are actually all of my husband's. Me and my husband both use Scentbird. If you don't know what Scentbird is, it is a monthly subscription for designer fragrances. You can try a bunch of different perfumes and colognes for a fraction of the cost it normally costs you. And I definitely recommend it. Me and my husband both use it and we love it. Something cool to look forward to every month. And they also do have a referral program, so if you do decide that you want to try it, I will leave a link in the description below, and you will get a free scent, and I'll get a free scent. So that's super awesome. Really can't beat that. I did want to go ahead and go into these fragrances that he got this month. Every single one of them are awesome. This is definitely a good batch. And you do get to pick your own fragrances on Scentbird. It's not like it's a surprise or anything, but we didn't know what any of these smelled like. And every single one of them are awesome. But let's go ahead and get into it. I am going to save the best for last, so stay tuned for it. It is probably one of my favorite colognes ever so far. So stay tuned for the last one, guys. These are the little tubes that they come in. Okay, so the first one we're going to be looking at is Dylan Blue by Versace. And this is probably the least favorite of the three that he got this month, but I do still really like it. It's definitely not a bad scent by any means, but you don't even have to spray it to smell it. It's not like super strong, but that is definitely a good smell. Let's go ahead and read the notes on it. And also really like that Scentbird has these cards that come with it that actually show you what the full bottle would look like if you did want to purchase that. And then it also on the back it has the notes. I don't know, it's just really convenient that it comes with it. Don't have to, you know, look it up on my phone and be like, what was that supposed to smell like again? So I really like that. Let's go ahead and read it though. It says, Dylan Blue features crisp citrus, dark fig, and aquatic accents against regal violets, herbaceous patchouli, and bold black pepper. A sweet, smoky base of tonka, incense, and warm saffron anchors this complex fragrance. And keynotes we have here are bergamot, grapefruit, incense, violet leaf, and pepper. It is made in Italy, of course, Versace. But this is definitely a good one. I like it a lot. It's not, like I said, it's not my favorite out of this group, but it's definitely one of the best I've gotten from Scentbird or Scentbox so far as the colognes go. Really like that. I feel like a lot of ladies would like that. And next, we have another one that I really like. It's just such a clean, good smell to smell on a man. I love it. So, this is the Calvin Klein CK1. That's what the full bottle would look like. And then on the back, we have the description. CK1 is a naturally clean, pure, and contemporary fragrance with a refreshingly new point of view. This light, relaxed scent is meant to be used lavishly. CK1 Eau de Toilette can literally be splashed all over the body. It is an intimate fragrance, one that you need to be near to smell. You know what they're saying. You gotta be close on it. And keynotes here we have bergamot, fresh pineapple, jasmine, rose, and musk. So you can just kind of tell that it's a clean scent. Like it says, it is a lighter scent, so you know, you kind of gotta be close to really appreciate it. But that is such a good smell. Oh my gosh, you cannot beat that. That is just such a clean smell. And honestly, like, I would rock this one. I'm not even kidding. That's just, I would probably rock this one, to be honest with you. It's just a really clean, nice smell. I feel like you can get away with it with both sexes. So, I don't know, possibly a unisex fragrance? I don't know. It's supposed to be a cologne, but it smells so good. And it's so clean. It's just a smell that you can't go wrong with. You know? It doesn't really have, like, too masculine of notes or anything. So, I like that one. Like I said, this is a really good batch that we got from Scentbird, so really like it. Can't wait for him to, you know, use these suckers so I can smell on him. Next, we have my favorite in the bunch that came in his package, and it is the Vetiver Goodbye Sur la Plague. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, That is what the full bottle would look like. Really sleek looking. And on the back here, we do have the description. So, Sur La Plague on the beach. The scent of bare skin under the sun, refreshed by the salty waters, caressed by the balmy air, enriched by orange blossoms, magnolia, and jasmine. This is the beach, an ode to sensuality, a dive into pure pleasure. Divine alone, sinful with a lover. So, I mean, that's a pretty good description. So you can see why I like it so much. And then the keynotes we have here are orange blossom, magnolia, jasmine, tuberose, and pink pepper. So, I don't know, man. This one is just, oh, that's a good smell. This is for sure a favorite cologne that my husband has, and soon I do want to do like a top 5 colognes out of his, because he has some that are just awesome that I would recommend for anyone. I feel like a lot of the ladies would love them, so I want to do that video soon. Vetiver Goodbye, ladies and gentlemen. It is a banger. That is such a good smell. Like it says, it's divine if you want to wear it by yourself, but it's simple with a lover, so sounds like a good time if you ask me. Definitely a good gift for the man in your life. Thank you guys for watching. If you do want to try Scentbird, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. That way you can get a free fragrance and I'll get a free fragrance. Really can't beat it. It's something fun to look forward to every month. Me and the husband both use it. There's different subscription levels that you can do too. You can get 1 cent a month, 2 or 3. That's what he did, obviously. We have 3 cents here. So we do the 3 a month, and you can switch it up too. You don't just have to get colognes one time or perfume. You can, get 1 perfume and 2 colognes, whatever. But I definitely recommend it. And like I said, I do want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like this video if you found any value in it. And leave any feedback in the comments. I definitely love to hear from you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.